Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want Google Chrome to automatically sign you into websites? Chrome has a useful setting called Auto Sign In. In this tutorial, I will show you how to enable or disable Auto Sign In Google Chrome on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner, then tap Settings. Scroll down, then tap Google Password Manager. Next, tap Settings, then tap Auto Sign In. Here, you can turn this option on or off. Turn it on to let Chrome automatically sign you in using your saved sign-in information, or turn it off to stop Chrome from automatically signing you in. Choose the option you want to use, and that's how to enable or disable auto sign in Google Chrome on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.